Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I am Zoe. I was just thinking about today's topic, ordering food with a delivery app.
Yes, today is episode 62. We will talk about how to order food with a delivery app. We will use very simple English. We will talk slowly. This is for beginners.
That's right. We will also share little stories. We will say common words and sentences you can use, and we will explain mistakes that many learners make.
Are you ready, Zoe?
Yes, I am ready. Let's start.
Okay. First, let's imagine you are hungry. You want pizza. You open the delivery app on your phone. What do you see first?
Usually, you see the home screen. You see pictures of food, you see a search bar, you see categories like pizza, burgers, sushi, desserts.
Good. Some words: home screen, search bar, menu, categories, cart, checkout, delivery, pickup, tip. Repeat after me, slowly.
Home screen, search bar, menu, categories, cart, checkout, delivery, pickup, tip.
Nice. Now, we will practice a small dialogue you might say in the app or to a friend. I'll be the app voice, and you will be the user.
Okay.
What would you like to order?
I would like a large pepperoni pizza, please.
Would you like any drinks?
Yes, 1 cola, please.
Would you like extra cheese?
Yes, please, extra cheese.
Very good. Short and clear.
Now, another small phrase. When you go to checkout, you will see total price. Sometimes you see delivery fee and tax.
And you also see a place to add a tip for the delivery driver.
Yes, tip is an extra payment for good service. In many places, people add a tip of a few dollars or a percentage.
Let's talk about payment. Apps let you pay with card, phone pay, or cash sometimes.
Our tip for learners: check your total before you press place order. Read slowly. Look at the price, delivery time, and address.
Speaking of address, always check your delivery address. If your address is wrong, the driver may go to the wrong place.
I learned this the hard way once. I ordered food to my old house. I was at my new apartment. The driver went to the old house. I waited and waited. I felt so silly.
Oh no, what did you do?
I called the restaurant and the app support. They were nice and they found the driver, but it took a long time. Now I always check the address twice.
Good lesson. Check the address twice. Simple.
Let's say the app shows estimated delivery 30 to 40 minutes. You can say, my order will arrive in 30 to 40 minutes. If the time changes, the app will update.
Sometimes the app shows out for delivery. That means the driver has the food and is coming.
Yes, and sometimes it says delivered, even when the food is at the door. So check your door and your app.
Okay, now let's teach some common words and short sentences you can say to the driver at the door.
Good idea.
When the driver knocks, say, hello, thank you. Simple.
If the driver needs directions, say, I'm at the blue building near the big tree. Short and clear.
If the driver asks for a tip by card, you can say, can I add a tip on the app? Or, I would like to pay the tip now.
Remember, be polite. A smile and a thank you go a long way. You can say, thank you so much. Enjoy your day.
Now, let's talk about the menu words you will see. We said pizza, burger, sushi. Other words: appetizer, main course, dessert, combo, sides, extra, special, vegetarian, vegan, spicy, mild.
Some simple examples. I want the spicy chicken sandwich, or I want the vegetarian salad, or I want fries as a side.
And when you choose options, the app may ask size, flavor, spice level, toppings. You will click or tap to choose.
Here is a short list of phrases you can use in the app notes or to the restaurant. No onions, please. Extra sauce, please. Please deliver to the back door. Please call when you arrive.
Now, a little story from me. Once I ordered sushi late at night. The app said the restaurant was open, but when I called, they were closed. The app had old hours. I felt sad. I learned to check the restaurant hours before ordering.
Good tip. Check the hours. Also, read reviews if you're not sure about the restaurant quality.
Yes, read reviews and look at photos. Sometimes photos show how the food looks.
Another tip, use filters in the app. Filter by delivery time or by rating. This helps you find food fast.
Now, let's practice a full example conversation you might have with a friend when you plan to order.
Yes, you start.
Do you want to order dinner tonight?
Yes, what do you want?
I feel like pizza. What about you?
Pizza sounds good. Should we get 2 toppings?
Yes, I like pepperoni and mushrooms. Do you want garlic bread?
Yes, please, and a salad.
Okay, I will open the app and order. Do you want to share the cost?
Yes, I will pay half.
Great. I will put your name on the order so the driver knows you are one of us.
Short and easy. This is natural speech.
Now, we must remind you, if you like this lesson, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English. Share this episode with your friends.
Yes, please. Subscribe, like, and share. Also, write a comment. Tell us your delivery story. We love to read your messages.
Back to the lesson. Sometimes there are problems. Food is cold, the wrong order, or late delivery.
If this happens, you can use these phrases. My order is missing an item. I received the wrong order. My food is cold. The delivery is very late.
The app usually has a help or support button. You can open it and explain the problem. You can ask for a refund or a resend.
Be calm and clear when you write. Short sentences help. For example, I ordered a pepperoni pizza, but I received a cheese pizza. Can you help me, please?
Good. Now, polite sentences. I am sorry, but this is not what I ordered. Can you please fix this? Thank you for your help.
Now, little practice. Repeat after me. I ordered a pepperoni pizza, but I received a cheese pizza. Can you help me, please?
Great. One more. My order is cold. Can I get a refund, please?
Good. Now, vocabulary for times. Estimated delivery, arriving in 20 minutes, out for delivery, delivered, order confirmed, preparing, picked up.
Okay, now a quick tip about safety. Always meet the driver in a safe spot. If you feel unsafe, ask the driver to leave the food at the door and step back.
And if you are in a building with security, tell the driver to bring the food to the lobby or gate. Short and direct. Please bring the food to the lobby.
Now, practice a real short call you might make to the restaurant.
Yes. Hello, I placed an order 30 minutes ago. My order number is 1234. Can you tell me the status?
Good, simple, and polite. You can ask for the estimated time.
Thank you for the update.
Now, let's talk about small phrases when you thank the driver.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. These are friendly.
Okay, we'll finish with a short role play. I'll be the user, you are the app voice again.
Ready.
I want to order sushi. Can I get the salmon roll and miso soup?
Yes. Would you like soy sauce and wasabi?
Yes, please. Extra soy sauce.
Your total is $18.50. Estimated delivery 25 to 35 minutes. Place order?
Yes, place order. And please add a note, please ring doorbell.
Done. Your order is confirmed.
Excellent. That was easy.
Before we close, a few quick practice lines you can say to learn and remember. I would like to order. Can I have extra cheese? No onions, please. What is the delivery time? Can you add a tip on the app?
Practice these lines out loud. Say them slowly. It's normal to make small mistakes. Keep practicing.
That is all for today. Thank you for listening to episode 62.
Remember to subscribe to English Podcast channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Leave a comment with your delivery story.
Take care, eat well, and keep learning. Bye.
Bye. See you next time.